You're listening to Historical Perspectives with Mr. Malt. Learn about life by looking at our history. Teachers, for more information about historical perspectives, search Mr. Malt's Marketplace on Teachers Pay Teachers or at mrmaltmarketplace.com. Happy learning!
The Bill of Rights and why it matters. What is the Bill of Rights? The Bill of Rights is the first 10 amendments or changes to the United States Constitution. These 10 amendments were added soon after the Constitution was written to protect people's basic freedoms and to limit the power of the government. They help make sure everyone in the country has certain rights that cannot be taken away without good reason. Some important rights in the Bill of Rights. Freedom of speech and religion. People can say what they believe and follow the religion they choose. The government cannot stop most peaceful speech or favor one religion over another. Right to bear arms. The Bill of Rights protects the right of people to own and carry certain weapons. Rules and limits can still apply. Protection from unreasonable searches. Police must usually have a good reason and often a warrant from a judge before they search someone's home or take their things. Rights of the accused. If someone is accused of a crime, they have important protections. These include the right to a fair trial, the right to a lawyer, and protection against being forced to say they are guilty. Trial by jury and speedy trial. People accused of serious crimes can have a trial by a group of ordinary citizens, a jury, and the trial should happen in a reasonable time. Protection from cruel and unusual punishment. Punishments for crimes should be fair and not extreme. States' rights. Some rights and powers are kept by the states or the people, not given to the national government. Why the Bill of Rights was added. When the Constitution was first written, some people worried it gave the new national government too much power. To make sure people's freedoms were protected, leaders added the Bill of Rights. This helped more people agree to the new rules for the country. How the Bill of Rights affects people today. The Bill of Rights still guides many laws in everyday life. Courts use it when deciding if a law is fair. Teachers, students, and families see these rights in action, like peaceful protest, fair trials, and protections at home and school. The rights sometimes need to be balanced. For example, free speech does not allow threats or harm to others. An example to think about. Imagine a student wants to start a club at school to talk about books. The school must respect students' rights to speak and meet together, but it also must keep everyone safe and make sure the meetings follow school rules. The Bill of Rights helps guide what is allowed and what limits make sense.
Thanks for listening to this Historical Perspective. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to subscribe. Also, search for Historical Perspectives on Teachers Pay Teachers to learn more about other topics, such as the Golden Gate Bridge, Henry Ford, schools in the early 1900s, and so much more. Happy learning!